Oh, we just finished Tom's workshop with our staff members, just in a really intimate setting at our home. And the enthusiasm and the warmth that Tom brings to the session is just infectious. Everyone starts off naturally hesitant because we didn't tell them what they were going to do. We knew very little about it, only that it was going to be amazing because of our sort of previous encounters with Tom himself. But when it started, it was just clear that the structure plus the space in between, that time to integrate and reflect and share with one another, just fostered this incredible energy that just kept building and building and building until this super fun crescendo. And from a business standpoint, the heartfelt seeing of everyone that makes up the fabric of that workplace is invaluable. You cannot easily garner that and foster that just on the normal day-to-day and the everyday consciousness, because things get in the way. The operations, everyone's kind of personal life just kind of forces this siloed out relationship structure within a business. But doing something like this just ties everyone together, gives them a completely reinvigorated appraisal of themselves and the relationship they can have with themselves. And from that place of love and sharing and being seen and heard, it's so easy to forge these dynamic and really rich relationships with one another. So from a personal level, it was illuminating and fun. Like, fun is the real takeaway. Like, it was super fun to go deep. And also from a professional standpoint, it's a no-brainer for a business to co-opt that style workshop with their team, because the bonds that it creates just transcends the nature of work in most people's psyche and what they think work is, and just drops it like a magical little sort of spiral down into a place of self-revealing true nature and essential relationships with people. I couldn't recommend it highly enough. You have to do it.